Now let's take up this question number 59. It states that if two dice are thrown together, the probability that the difference of the numbers appearing on them is a prime number. So here this is a very interesting question related to probability. Here we are throwing two dice, then definitely two numbers will be appearing on them, and you need to figure out the probability that the difference of the numbers appearing on them is a prime number. So what could be the difference? Difference could be 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So let's try to obtain that. Here if I count just the difference of 2, here in this case if I take the difference of 2, it will be shown if the numbers appear on the dice as 1, 3 or 3, 1, or else it could be possibly 2, 4 or 4, 2, or it could be here possibly 3, 5 or 5, 3, or else it could be possibly 4, 6 or 6, 4. So these appearances show that the difference is of prime number 2. It could also be possible that the difference between the numbers is of prime number 3. Then the numbers could be 1, 4 or 4, 1, or else it could be 2, 5 or 5, 2, or else it could be 3, 6 or 6, 3. Next possibility is that the numbers could show the difference of 5. Then in that case we have the possibility of getting 1 and 6 or 6 or 1. So if you count all of these, we have total 16 such possibilities of getting the difference of a prime number on the dice. So I could definitely write in this case that required probability of getting the difference of a prime number when two dice are thrown will be equal to 16 upon 36, because you have total possibility of 6 into 6, 36, and you can simplify this and get your answer as 4 upon 9. So this is the required answer for this question. So let's get back to the options provided. You can clearly see the correct answer is provided here in option number 2. You can mark here the answer as option 2. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's proceed to our next question. Now let's discuss question number 60. It states that observe the following data. Here we have data of the classes and their respective frequency, where the classes are with the interval of 20, that is 0 to 20, 20 to 40 and so on. If the above data has mean 50, then missing frequencies F1 and F2 are respectively which of these four options? So here this is a question related to mean, that is statistics. So in this question you are provided with these classes and their respective frequencies. You know how to obtain mean through the direct method. So we will be using the same method here. Very first we need here the mid values, that is midpoint of each class. How do you obtain that? You take upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. For the first class it will be 0 plus 20 by 2, that is 10. For the next class it will be 20 plus 40 by 2, that is 30. Then next it will be 40 plus 60 by 2, 50. Further 70 and 90. Next we will be finding here Fi Xi, that is product of the frequency of a class with its corresponding midpoint. So I get here the value equal to 170. F1 into 30, that is 30 F1. Further I get here 32 into 50, that is equal to 1600. Next I have F2 into 70 equal to 70 F2. Further 19 into 90 is equal to 1710. When you take the sum of all of these, that is when you are finding here sigma Fi Xi, this will be equal to, on adding up you get here the value equal to 3480 plus you get here 30 F1 plus 70 F2. Moreover, when you observe here, sum of all the frequencies is already provided in this question equal to 120, that is sigma Fi is equal to 120. So very first let's use the information provided about sum of all the frequencies. So here we get a clear idea from this that when you add up all the frequencies, that is 17 plus F1 plus 32 plus F2 plus 19. This is clearly equal to 120. On simplifying this, you get here the equation F1 plus F2 will be equal to 52. Let's consider it to be equation number 1. Now, Mean for this question is provided as 50. Let's use that information. So we know that in this case, mean is equal to 50 and the formula to obtain mean is sigma Fixi upon sigma Fi. Substituting the value of these, we get here 3480 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2 whole by 120 equal to 50. So when you simplify this equation, here you will be obtaining the equation is 3F1 plus 7F2 equal to 252. Let's consider it to be equation number 2. So we have here equation number 1 and equation number 2 in terms of F1 and F2. When you solve these, you will get here value of F1 and F2. So let's solve these. Here you can see I can multiply equation number 1 with 3. So I could write next on solving 1 and 2. Let's see what we get. For this, I will be considering first equation number 2. From that, I will be subtracting 3 times equation number 1. So this is 3F1 plus 7F2 equal to 252. When you multiply 3 to the both sides of equation 1, you will be getting 3F1 plus 3F2 equal to 156. Where you can easily simplify this one on changing the sign. Here we get 4F2 is definitely equal to the value that is 96. On solving this further, I get here the value of F2 equal to 24. So F2 is obtained. Let's substitute it in equation number 1. Substituting F2 equal to 24 in equation number 1. Here we get F1 is equal to 52 minus 24, that is 28. So here we get the required answer for this question, that F2 is 24 and F1 is 28. So in this question, you had to figure out the values of F1 and F2, which are respectively 28 and 24 in this case. So out of these 4 options, option number 1 gives me the required answer. So here we have option number 1 as 28 and 24 as respective values of F1 and F2. You can definitely mark here answer as option number 1. I hope this question is clear to you. So here we come to the end of discussion of mathematics part of SAT paper of NTSE Stage 2 2019. I hope you cleared all the questions and you scored very good marks in your examination. All the best for your results. Thank you.